Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to convert any video file to MP4. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Cloud Convert. Simply, get to the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, all you have to do is click on the Select button and choose the target file. I will just select the TS file and convert it into an MP4 by selecting it from the menu. Now, if you choose the wrench, you have some more advanced options, but you don't have to change any of it. I'm actually going to leave all of it in default and select Convert. Then, you just need to wait for it to be completed, and this type of window will appear. Inside it, click on the Download button, and it will start downloading. You can see that the final file is in the MP4 format. So that's basically how you can convert any video file to MP4. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.